us a banner, a swastika cross. They promised us our equals behind a rifle's wall, and called it brotherhood before the final fall. The capitalist, the fascist, the communist, old ghost, just different names for the same prism we fear the most. But a wheel is just a circle, a hammer simply steel. Technology has no flag, it's only truth is real. Enough of ideologies, enough of hollow cries. We're building our tomorrow without the isms and the lies. Not faith but calculation, not dogma but a plan. And in this brand new world you'll find the truth of man. We're looking not to leaders, but deep inside our soul, where nature's laws are breathing and making us all whole. They drew the lines on farmland by right and by the toll, with scarcity and hatred as their ultimate goal. Their path was paved with banks and courts and prison cells, where anyone who disagreed would burn in their own hells. They tried to plant a seed, but did not know the ground, and wondered why no flower, no beauty could be found. Enough of ideologies, enough of hollow cries. We're building our tomorrow without the isms and the lies. Not faith but calculation, not dogma but a plan. And in this brand new world you'll find the truth of man. We're looking not to leaders, but deep inside our soul, where nature's laws are breathing and making us all For nature is our leader, our one and only source, the everlasting engine, the true and guiding force. And we are but a moment in its eternal day. So let us learn from starlight and from the Milky Not faith but calculation, not dogma but creation. Onward.